LIC Apprentice Development Officer is a field job in the LIC department. Every year, LIC conducts LIC ADO exam to fill vacant posts for ADO in their offices. An ADO is responsible for understanding existing policies and areas where sales can be easily produced. LIC ADO is also responsible for recruiting agents for selling policies in a particular area. Apprentice Development Officer is a government job with the monthly package of Rs 45,000. Today, we will talk about LIC ADO exam. Hi, I'm Karthik and this is Youth for Work. If you want to know the eligibility exam pattern and tips to crack the LIC ADO exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end. Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria for LIC ADO exam. A candidate must be a citizen of India or willing to permanently settle in India. The general age limit for LIC ADO exam is between 21 to 30 years. For SC, STs, ECO, SSCO general, there is an age relaxation of up to 5 years in upper age limit. For OBC non-creamy layer, there is age relaxation of 3 years. For PWD, SC, ST, there is age relaxation of 15 years, and for PWD OBC, it is 13 years. A candidate must have a bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university. Now we will be discussing the exam pattern for LIC ADO exam. A total of 3 papers are conducted for LIC ADO recruitment exam. A candidate must obtain a minimum passing marks in each of the paper to qualify the exam. The whole paper consists of 300 marks. Paper 1 consists of reasoning ability and numerical ability. Paper 2 consists of general knowledge and current affairs with English language. Paper 3 consists of insurance and financial marketing. The questions will be of multiple choice and contains negative marking for every wrong attempt. For the whole syllabus, you can check the link given in the description below. Let us talk about a few tips and tricks for the LIC ADO exam. Focus on your speed and accuracy as you have to complete the whole exam within the time limit. Prepare English and numerical ability well along with insurance and financial marketing. Practice sample papers or previous year papers. Read newspaper editorials regularly to improve your English. Use PrepGuru app of Youth for Work for the preparation of written tests. To download the app, you can check the link given in the description below.